Iran developing new generations of speedboats with suicide drones. This handout photo provided by Iran's IRGC official website via SEPA News shows speedboats carrying drones during a ceremony in Iran's southern port city of Bandar Abbas, AFP. IRGC deploys suicide drones to its Gulf speedboats fleet. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, has deployed 70 Ababal-2 suicide drones to the navy of the country's elite force, which controls its territorial waters in the Gulf and the Sea of Oman, the IRGC-affiliated Fars news agency has reported. IRGC's fast attack boats, previously equipped with cruise missiles, were adapted to carry the drones, which are rocket-assisted and do not require a runway to take off. Ababal-2 was first produced in Iran in 2000 as a low-cost locally manufactured spy drone. It was also used as an air target imitator to train Iran's air defense force. In addition, Iran has Ababal-3 has an 8-hour flight duration and a range of 250 kilometers. It can send images simultaneously to ground control stations or any other platform. The drone uses a 4-cylinder piston engine with a propeller blade, which, like other drones with the same configuration, is mounted at the end of the fuselage and between the tail retaining booms. The engine place creates a suitable space for installing equipment in the nose and reduces the engine's vibration effect on the performance of detection systems. Made by the Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industries Corporation, Ababal-3 has a fully composite fuselage and can fly at 15,000 feet. The drone has a front-facing camera and a 360-degree rotating camera under the fuselage with thermal imaging and night imaging. In 2019, during the unveiling of the Keem bombs, images of Ababal-3 being armed with these bombs were also published, which showed the addition of combat capability besides reconnaissance to Ababal-3. One of the famous reconnaissance operations of this drone, which also went viral on the media in May 2019, was flying over the USS Eisenhower aircraft carrier in the Persian Gulf and filming it. Ababal-3 bears no resemblance to other models of the Ababal-2 family. This drone has a cylindrical fuselage, a wing mounted at the top and the end of the fuselage, and an H-shaped twin-boom tail. Unlike other types of Mohajer family drones, Ababal-3 has wheeled landing gear and uses the runway to land and take off. Its primary communication antenna is installed on the fuselage and close to the nose. Due to the long flight range, the user can steer it from the ground control station in two ways, semi-automatic or fully automatic. In semi-automatic mode, the user sees the aircraft flight information displayed on the station screen and controls the aircraft according to the mission. In addition, according to Fars Iran, also a new type of combat drone has also been delivered to the IRGC Naval Force. Mohajer 6 is a new generation of combat drones that carry 4 guided bombs. FARS reported that at the beginning of October, 188 drones of different types were delivered to the IRGC Naval Force. Since the late 1980s, deploying speedboats fitted with missile launchers, RPGs and heavy machine guns has been the IRGC's main strategy in asymmetric warfare against the presence of the US Navy in the Gulf. However, following Washington's unilateral withdrawal from the nuclear deal with Iran in 2018 and the rising tensions between the two countries, the IRGC has increased its investment in developing new generations of speedboats as well as fitting the old generations with new missiles. On Friday last week, Ali Fadavi, a naval officer and the deputy commander of the IRGC, told Mer news agency that the IRGC Navy has been developing new combat fast boats that can reach a speed of 100 knots, 185 kmph.